Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Whether you're using iOS, Android, or even your computer's browser, well, the same steps applies. Again, just open up Facebook or in browser, go to facebook.com. Okay. Once you're in here on your dashboard, just tap on your profile, wait for it. Now go ahead and find the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now go to settings and privacy. Once done, tap on settings. Okay, tap on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you just go ahead and find account center or meta account center. Tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to find these tabs. Okay, now just go ahead and tap on personal details. Okay, now in here, just tap on account ownership and control. Tap. Now, once it loads, tap on deactivation or deletion. Select the specific account, Facebook right here, tap on it. Now, this prompt will show that says, if you want, you can just go ahead and take a break and just deactivate your account. Okay, you can just go ahead and reactivate it anytime with just logging in with the same credentials. Now, if you want to permanently delete your account, make sure to select this option. Okay, it says here, deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your account, your main profile and everything will be deleted as well. You won't be able to retrieve anything. All additional profiles, Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Now again, if you're really sure, just tap on continue. And then the next page, it will ask you for your password. Just go ahead and type down your password. And then once done, hit on delete once more. And after that, you'll be logged out and then you're good to go. That is it. That's how you delete your Facebook account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.